Hi, in this video I will show you how to crop a video on the TikTok. So the procedure is pretty simple. So first of all you have to open your TikTok mobile application and you have to click on the plus icon in the main menu. So simply tap on it. Once you will tap on it, camera is open. Now you have to click on the upload or you can shoot a video. So I select this video and click on the next. So video is here. Also you will see a timeline here. Simply select a part of the video. You can trim or crop a video in this way. Now only this part will appear in the TikTok video. So click on the next. Video is processing now and you will see different options here. Now press to the next to upload it on the TikTok. So in this way you can simply crop a video on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.